explain to the car, the owner, the driver, the engineer, whoever's with that car.
Yeah, I think it's two judges deliberately so that they can then have a decision ultimately, but you want at least two opinions, I would suggest, having looked at
the best of the best, so it's this the system.
Other person or an artist in the world who could better represent, and we have
It's a fantastic view, and incidentally Miura's have a very strong link with St Moritz because the Shah of Iran who had is another story, and the spirit of St Moritz
voted for by you, the public, and everyone who's watching from afar, and voted via the ICE app. It is, of course, the Hero Below Zero Award, and I'm honoured to ask Marco Macaus to present the award to the winner.
Yes.
And the winning car is car number 92, the Lamborghini Miura SV Stefan Rattel.